What is going on, guys? Bobby from the Urban Outlaw coming back at you real quick for another video. This is going to be more of a pro tip than anything. A little piece of advice that I would give you when taking apart a firearm for the first time. And that it may help you guys to kind of remember the way things go back together, so you don't screw it up when you go put it back together and find out your firearm doesn't work. So when I take apart something, especially something with that's gas operated, I usually lay out the pieces as I take them out of the gun, so I kind of remember the way they go back together. So I'll give you an example here. This is my Mossberg 930. It is a gas operated shotgun, which basically means it uses gas from the spent shotgun shell to reload the gun. And I take it apart and basically lay it back out the way it came apart. So kind of like a giant puzzle, so you can see each individual part. I'll kind of lay it out. There's the barrel there, and then the gas system underneath it. And I just lay each individual part out as I kind of take it apart off the gun. And it makes it very easy to remember the way in which things go back together. But that's kind of a little pro tip from me. Just something I learned from a good friend of mine, and I figured I'd share it with you guys. Full cleaning video on this shotgun coming soon. But as always, guys, stay humble, stay ready, and shoot straight. And I'll see you next time.